Founders in OnPassive, we are so happy and amazed to be a part of the love and compassion shown by all founders. It is incredible to see all of us working towards our goal of making life better for all the people we know and love. The feeling is unmatched by any emotion that we have ever had. Truly, this OnPassive journey is like no other in our lifetime. All our hearts are beating together in unison with our minds, in marching with OnPassive so that not one person is left behind or overlooked when it comes to providing financial relief for everyone. OnPassive is a gift that transforms lives. OnPassive is a company for the ages. Masterfully built to withstand any turbulence in its way. It is here to stay. Founders are in the best position of our lives. We are the movers helping OnPassive reach unimaginable heights. We are the best combination of people and machines. Artificial intelligence and human intelligence working harmoniously together for the benefit of all who love OnPassive. Let us never forget who made all this possible. Our CEO Mr. Mufareh and his incredible engineers and support staff of OnPassive. OnPassive in 2021 will change the financial lives of all lovers of OnPassive. All founders in OnPassive will have a positive effect on all people we love and know. OnPassive has laid the groundwork for a mission that will lift enormous amounts of people to a new plateau. OnPassive did not happen by accident. The ingredients that make up OnPassive have always been known, but never used in this combination. It took someone who is sensitive to the plight of millions of forgotten people to combine these ingredients, to connect the have-nots to the haves. Mr. Mufareh's creative genius has figured it out. His creating OnPassive has caused the playing field to be leveled for anyone who uses the internet. OnPassive has given everyone the opportunity to be successful. Any product that people use now on the internet will be enhanced by using OnPassive digital products at a significantly lower cost to use them. They will flat out save money and make money. That is what makes OnPassive unique. When the competitors figure out what OnPassive is doing by taking their customers, they will be 5 years behind OnPassive if they figure this out today. OnPassive will be constantly evolving and refining, inventing new products not even thought of by other companies. Anything that has ever been accomplished has not been achieved without trust. Trust is the motivating process that benefits the person who designs something and receives something. Case in point, OnPassive. People are trapped in the now syndrome. I want it now or I am giving up. That is the classic failure syndrome. We must look past our present situations to the finished product. Visualize the enormous benefit to humanity that OnPassive has been built to deliver to the masses. Humans must trust other humans who reflect a loving concern for people. OnPassive is the product of a transcendent visionary Mr. Mufareh. Mr. Mufareh can be trusted. He reflects the good that all of us have inside each of us. We all trust ourselves implicitly. Trust OnPassive's loving and caring designer Mr. Mufareh. We have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Let us continue to trust that we as founders have the best company ever presented to us. There is a saying about the difference between being dedicated and total committed. We are totally committed. We are all in, and because of that, we will all win. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.